Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel a Vrbo booking. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains how to cancel a reservation and receive a refund. So in order to cancel a reservation for desktop and mobile devices, firstly, sign into your Vrbo account. Select your account name and choose My Trips. Select the reservation you wish to cancel. In the trip details section, review the property's cancellation policy. In the trip details section, choose the change or cancel. Select cancel booking. Once done, a virtual assistance window will appear to walk you through canceling the reservation. 7. The request will then be submitted to the host to process. Follow up with them if you don't hear back within 24 hours. About refunds, your refund is used based on the property's cancellation policy. If you cancel your reservation and are within the window to receive 100% refund, the service fee will be refunded to you automatically when the cancellation is confirmed. Refunds take up to 5 days to appear in your account. If a booking was charged in a different currency, the payment and refund total might vary based on currency exchange rates and bank issued exchange fees. Your refund will be sent to the original form of payment. If that account is closed, please contact your financial institution. If you used one key cash to pay for your entire booking, and you've been charged a service fee that will come out of your 1 gig cash balance. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.